Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we're back with another video. So today's video is a chocolate brown water wave fall wig install. Yeah, I am in love with this wig. I never really see color for chocolate brown water wave wigs. Like, that's not a common thing to me. And this is definitely my first time trying one, and I love. We are working with Asteria hair today, and they got your girl right. If y'all want the details on this unit and you want to see how I achieved this install, make sure you stick around. But before you go, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see y'all in a few.
Best friend, be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
So like I said, today we are working with Asteria hair for the first time. Very excited. And let's get into this silver. Come on. I'm very excited because I have never done this texture with this color before. Y'all go see, I know y'all wanna know. Okay, so let's unbox what they sent us. So they sent me 2 pairs of lashes, an edge brush, HD wig caps, a cute Asteria hair wig band, and a nice little wig bag. Okay, so let's get into what I'm really excited about, the wig. Do y'all see it? Are y'all starting to get it? Are y'all starting to get why I'm so excited? Y'all, this is, I'm so lit. I'm so excited right now. This is a fall chocolatey brown water wave wig. I have never done this texture with this color. I don't even think I've done a water wave that wasn't black, 1B, whatever. Like, all the brown wigs that I do are usually straight. I've never done a brown water wave. Y'all, I'm so excited about this. I feel like this is about to be so cute. This is 22 inches, nice and long, super full. This is 180% density. And even better, not only do we have a nice and thin transparent lace, but the knots are pre-bleached and the hairline is pre-plucked. I'm just so excited. We have a really nice frontal lace space here. This is a 13x4 frontal. We have our combs on the inside, and we also have an adjustable wig band in the back. I also love that it's brown. I think that's very cute. Okay, so I'm gonna tint the lace and then we're gonna start the install process. Okay, so to tint my lace, I am going to use, y'all know, as always, cream foundation and a brush. I need to get some more of this. Yeah, we're just gonna tint. All right, so y'all see the difference? Now that we're nice and tinted, we are ready to go. Boom. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it already. We ain't even done nothing. We look a mess and I'm still feeling it. That means it's gonna look good. I'm gonna use the adjustable wig band in the back and make sure this is nice and snug on my head. And is. Next thing we gotta do is cut these earpieces. Just back real quick. Why is this cute? Why do I always do this when I don't really need to? Like, it always happens on accident, but when I'm trying to get this on purpose, it don't want to look like this. That's really crazy. Okay, now we can take this down. We're gonna make sure the wig is exactly where we want it on our head, and then we're gonna pin it back again. I'm snapping right now and I don't know why. I don't know why I'm trying to like make it cute, like I'm about to keep it like this, but whatever. So I haven't been using like actual glue for wigs in a while. I don't know why. Like, I'm just not feeling the takedown process afterwards no more. It's just too much. I've been using lace adhesive spray or liquid mousse. This is for more of like a glueless install, and this is for more of like, I don't want to use harsh glue, but I still need something a little bit stronger than hairspray. So I'm feeling this because it's a transparent lace. If it was an HD lace, I might do this. I'm feeling this. That way there's a stronger hold for this type of lace. And then we're gonna melt with this. Sound good? Sound good. And then one more on the forehead. Forehead, damn near the part that I care about the most. If your wig is lifting there, just give up. Child, take it off. Like, your wig lifting on the sides makes sense, but your wig lifting at your forehead, just take it off. Just start over. Just take it off, wash it, and reinstall it, y'all. Don't even bother saving it. Once it lifts at the forehead, it's over with. Y'all, I feel like brown water wave is really my thing. I look like a whole different person. Straight chocolate brown hair is one thing, and that looks very good on me, do not get me wrong. But brown water wave, that's changing the game. That is changing the game. So before we get too comfortable, we are gonna cut the lace because you don't want the lace to dry in places that you want to cut it off at, because then you're gonna have to lift it and that's when you get that white look on your lace, and that's what you don't want. So you want to cut the lace before the lace dries where it's not supposed to. This is something that I usually do when I'm working with spray glue, because sometimes the glue can get where you don't want it to get. Okay, now that our lace is cut, we are going to bring out some spray glue just to touch up any areas that didn't originally get glued down. And touch those up right now. I'm gonna put my, okay, so now that everything is glued down, I'm gonna put my melting band on to secure it. All right, so while our lace is drying, we're going to style the hair. Let's take this down and let's figure out what to do with this. So first things first, I'm just gonna bring out a Denman brush and start detangling the hair. The hair is actually very, very, very soft. I'm kind of feeling the voluminous look and I'm almost tempted to keep it like this, but we can refine. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side. And whoa, it is actually kind of cute. So we're gonna do this in halves. I'm gonna bring out some water and we're just gonna drench the hair. Now we're gonna bring out some mousse and run that through the hair. I'm not gonna use a lot because I don't want too much product in it, and I also don't want it to be that small. Like, I actually want a nice voluminous look, but I want the curls to be a little bit more defined. I'm not going for like the wet and wavy look. I'm more so just going for a voluminous, refined curl. Make sure you get the ends, top of the head, and then we're just gonna crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch. There's definitely a better way to do this, but it takes longer and I don't really feel like doing that. Like, I could use my Denman brush to define the curls, you know, like wrap them around and everything. But I don't really feel like doing that, you know? Like, I just kind of feel like installing it, throwing some mousse in it, scrunching it, and getting out of here. So that's what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna bring out a blow dryer and a diffuser attachment and dry the hair. Okay, so now this side is pretty much done. I'm gonna let the rest air dry and I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. All right, so now that both sides are done, I'm gonna take a little bit of liquid mousse, which is also a holding spritz and a hairspray, and spray that right on top of the curls. Just to kind of hold the style. Scrunch again, and then same thing on this side. That's just gonna really make sure those curls that we spent all that time defining actually stay defined. And what I love about this liquid mousse is that it doesn't make your hair crunchy. It's very lightweight, sticky and effective, but when it dries, the hair is still very soft. I have it linked down below in my Amazon storefront, so if you want some, head over there just to let y'all know. So styling is done. Yeah, I think that looks great. Very boho, very effortless, very carefree, very cute. So now it's time to check on our lace. All right, so lace is fully secured, fully dry, and now all we have to do is melt our lace. So bringing back out that holding spritz, I'm telling y'all this is good for everything. We are going to spray that right on top of our lace, and then I just like to pat it in with my fingers. I don't mind getting it in the hair because, again, it is still mousse / hairspray. All right, we're gonna give that a second to dry down just a little. And I'm going to put the hair back up real quick, just so we can put our melting band back on and melt our lace. And boom, y'all see it? Y'all see it? You don't. I'm gonna take our hair down. Oh, we are looking good, honey. Yes, ma'am. You know, re-scrunch. And now I'm gonna turn my hot comb on so we can, you know, finish up this hairline. All right, I'm gonna bring out my wax stick. It's gonna wax back the hairline, get the part and the back of the head. We want all that to be nice and flat. And same thing on the other side. Hot comb is hot. Let's get to it. Hot combing is done. Flat in the right places, voluminous in the right places, you feel me? Now, we are going to finish tinting our lace just a little bit though. We don't need a lot because you can see it's pretty belted. And then we're gonna define our part. And we are done, y'all. It's literally perfect. Hair is nice and defined. Lace is nowhere to be found. Heart is looking crisp. Hairline is looking snatched. Everything is as it should be. And this color, y'all, this color is to die for. This is the fall wig that I have been looking for. I love this wig. Like, I'm astounded. Like, the install process was pretty easy. For a non-glueless install, I think it was pretty easy. The hair defined so nicely. The lace ended up melting really well. Color. Like, that's all I'm gonna talk about at this point. The color. I love curly chocolate brown hair. It's official. I don't really even like black water wave. Like, y'all say I don't wear it often. I don't review it often. But when I saw the brown water wave, I was like, there's something about this. And now that I have it on, wow. I never think about how a color can change my opinion of a texture so much. And this, like, I will wear brown water wave. Brown water wave fits me. Like, I like it a lot. And then this is the kind of wig that's gonna keep you warm in the fall, okay? This is the kind of wig that's gonna keep you warm in the fall and the winter. Asteria, girl. You snapped. You know what you're doing. This is my first wig from Asteria, like, ever. Never worked with them before, never bought a wig from them before. And I am pleased. I am pleasantly surprised. I just cannot stop looking at myself in this brown. Like, I just look like a totally different person. I love it. A totally different Mina. Let me get y'all the details of this wig so y'all can get you one and I can get it out of here. So this is brown water wave transparent lace pre-plucked supernatural wig. Again, this is a 13x4 lace front and it is 22 inches. Ah, this is color number 4. It's so interesting because I used to think that color number 4 did not look good on me. Whenever I used to buy braiding hair, I always got 1B, sometimes 2. But like whenever I like looked at color 4, I never thought it looked good on me. So like, this is healing, you know? Yeah, color 4 fit me. Yeah, brown on brown, period. And again, 180% density. So the price for the unit that I have on would be $287.64. That's a good little price. And they're having a sale too. So y'all better go get you one. They did their big one with this wig. They did their big one for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna continue like admiring myself in this camera, but I'm gonna let y'all go. If you enjoyed the video and you love the hair, make sure you go ahead and leave me a like on the video, comment down below your thoughts, and of course, as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Mina. Y'all have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself.